Welcome back to 30-hour review. Today, I got something I've never done before. I bought a welder. I went on Facebook, all over Google, everywhere I went, I keep seeing these arccaptain MiG 200 welders that are, multi-process and all this stuff. So I bought it. I still got a couple things coming in the mail that I'm waiting for, but let's jump in and see what. So, this is the main guy we're trying to look at, is the MiG 200. Yeah. Oh god. Alright, so it's got caught on a bunch of accessories. That's a pretty good looking machine. I like the red on it actually, it's pretty nice. And I think we got a trash can somewhere around here. This is the MiG Captain 200, or the arccaptain MiG 200, I mean. So now we're gonna have to see what else is in here. We got our MiG torch. Set that there. We got our stinger. We got a ground. We got some gas hose. We got our rollers, 2 replacement tips, a nozzle. Down here we got the paperwork. Oh, look at that, there's some stickers in there. I didn't even notice that, that's cool. But yeah, so that's the main package right there. So I also purchased the Ultra Mega Savings Bundle. I forgot, it's a package that includes a TIG torch and a spool gun. So I guess this is the TIG torch, 17 style. It's a rigid head and it's got a few consumables in there. It looks like it's a 4, 5, and a 6 cup. Set that there for now. And over here, I've never played with one of these, but we got our spool gun. It also comes with some contact tips and a pretty cool little warranty card. Every single one of these boxes has had this little warranty card in there, so that's pretty cool. So the last 2 things I have, I'm still waiting on a few things from arccaptain. They say it's on a package, is 10 pounds of solid wire, which is pretty nice. And then their arccaptain welding helmet. I'm actually pretty interested in this guy. It's very light. It has a 2x4 type of sight, like lens through. And another thing is the lens on it is actually very blue. It's not green, it's not gray, it's blue. So we're gonna try all these out today and see what we think. All right, we got power. All right, so currently we are in MiG mode. Let's jump over, there we go, stick mode. All right guys, first strike on with their helmet. Let's see how this does. Let that one get a little bad there at the end. It's cold. You can bring the heat up. got that figured out with MiG. Just had to dial her in a little bit. I could still fine tune it some. Hey guys, so I just wanted to give this, a quick shakedown out of the package, and so far I only ran some hardwire MiG and some 7018. Again, I just wanted to make sure this actually worked as soon as it got home, when I got it out of the package. I don't have all the consumables needed to try all the different processes right now, but I am currently working towards that. So in the future, I will be doing a fully destructive 110 volt, half the power this machine offers test on every process it offers. But until then, stick welding, it worked pretty good. I would recommend, if you're running a 7018 332nd, bump it above 95 amps and you should have no problem running it on 110. The MiG on it was actually pretty nice. It just took some time to figure it out. I'm more used to inches, freedom units, but this is all in metric, so that takes some time to figure out. But yeah, guys, out of the package for the price, guys, honestly, I think this is a pretty solid machine. If you are looking to buy yourself a multi-process welder, especially one that you can just plug into your wall and use in here without blowing a circuit, this guy's probably it. It limits itself so you're not popping circuits and stuff, and that's pretty damn cool. I like the way it looks. It handles great. The one thing I do wish that they would do a little differently is the stingers and the ground clamp. I wish they were a little thicker, but that's not a big deal. Obviously, aftermarket exists. I am not associated with arccaptain in any way, shape, or form, but hey, arccaptain, if you are, I would love to try out your TIG welder. Yeah, guys, leave a comment for the next 30-hour review.